every week we have been hard working in the lab, developing more skills, features, workflows for Dubb AI to be more powerful in your business. And that's exactly what we're building. And this week, guys, I have something special in store for you. Where if you've ever struggled to generate leads, there's a lot of systems out there, things like Apollo or Zoom Info, and um, in modern times, most recently, I've seen them have a very high quality, a very low quality, and a very high amount of bounces and kind of junk data from those systems. If you've been experiencing a similar problem, quality problems from your data sources, then I absolutely want you to check out this skill that we've developed with Dubb AI. And again, it's embryonic, it's in its early stages, but this thing is so powerful and so easy to use that it's going to be saving you the most important things, right? Money and time and money in that order, actually. And so I want to show this tool to you guys, show you how simple it's going to be. And in fact, today you can activate this skill and come try it in your business. It is specific to B2B right now. For real estate, if you're in real estate or mortgage or sort of a business to consumer, this tool isn't we're good for that yet. It's coming soon. But for now, this is good for if you're looking for business titles, it's extremely powerful at being able to find that. So let me go ahead and jump in, and I'm going to show you how Dubb AI is used as your lead generator, as your top of funnel, as your business development representative. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and share the good old Slack channel. And here you can see I have one of my channels set up for lead gen, right? This is my lead gen assistant. And this is, again, guys, just phase one of this, because lead gen is one piece. Your BDR, your business development representative, is the second piece of this, right? Because they need to be able to do both of these things. This is the top of that. And then, of course, we have the email assistant. So combining those two skills, right? Generating leads, emailing those leads, we've effectively built your coworker BDR, sales development representative. SDR is another term for it. It's just a sales development representative, right? A salesperson, someone's focused on building leads and generating pipeline for your business. And so this is the task I want to show you guys. Again, with Dubb AI, we're talking about simple conversation, right? We're not logging into softwares and setting up filters and learning how to use it. And it's none of that stuff. It's simple talking to a person like you would if they were your true coworker and not an AI. So here I'm in Slack. This is where Dubb AI will live. And in this Slack channel, you can see this simple request. I said, Dubb AI, generate a list of 10 leads. And this was specific for Dubb, right? For our Dubb core video product. We have some big companies that have some people with video in their title, right? They're video lead, video manager, video something. And so what we said is, hey, come find people with something with video lead or something, right? It's literally what I said. I said, generate a list of 10 leads with video lead or something similar, not video editor, right? We don't video editors. We're looking for leadership titles at organizations, mid-market, right? Not more than small, not more than 500, not less than 50. Provide the information, email, phone number, whatever you can find. So this is exactly how you might talk to a person, right? An employee that you hired. You wouldn't, hey, I need exact data filter sets. You may or may not have that information, but if you didn't, and you were just looking to talk to somebody that hopefully knew how to do their job, this is what you might tell them. And then now here on the right, I want to show you the output of this, right? So this very simple, very human message, not UI, not complicated filters and exports and none of that stuff, just a little conversation. And here's the output. They said, here we go. I verified all those emails. There's 10 of them. Senior director, video strategy, director of video content. So you can see I didn't ask for those specific titles, because in a traditional lead generation platform, that's what you're going to do, right? You're going to go list the titles specifically that you're after. This is much smarter than that and much easier to use than that. So you can see what I said. I said video lead or something. And it found exactly that it had a video content, right? It found exactly the perfect titles that I didn't even need that I needed to go look for. Not only that, but it found there everything else, right? It found their emails, it found their LinkedIn profiles, their company size, it verified their emails. So now they're 100% ready to outreach, to put into the sequence, which is a follow-up question here, right? When is it smarter to run traditional automations versus something built in the cloud, something through Dubb AI? So at this point, guys, we now have fully verified leads of the exact things that I wanted to reach out to. As the full BDR, you can see it's even offered to take this next step, just like your human employee would. Hey, I know you wanted these leads, but I mean, do you want me to, create personalized outreach for each of them as well? I can send it on your behalf. So that's what a person would do, right? Be helpful and useful and thoughtful, at least a good person on your team. And that's what this tool is trained to do. So it's, of course, asking permissions first, right? It's not just going to go keep working and working without your permission. It can be customized to do that, right? If you build this system to say, just draft the follow-ups automatically, it's going to do that. At this point, it's like a fresh hire. We just hired them. We said, hey, test hire, go generate these leads, generated the leads. Great. Now here's what I can do for you next. So this is the future of what working with AI looks for you guys. I don't want you to be stuck in the traditional just prompting ChatGPT and then taking those answers and then come and executing everything yourself. This is the future, and where really this technology is heading is it's going to do the things for you. And so again, I want to reiterate that link that I put in the chat here in Zoom, where what is your guys's thing that you need done? Is it lead gen? Is it the full BDR to generate the leads, follow up with the leads, draft personalized things, send your videos and booking links to the leads, right? It can do all of those things. So this is now where it lies, is understanding your business, understanding where your bottlenecks, where your biggest problems are, and then working with the technology and me and my team to help you guys employ and to put this into action, right? And execute where you're failing to or unable to. So this is the newest and latest skill, guys. And I will encourage you guys to come give it a test, but I want you to start in really small batches like this, because it's early, it's this beta, and it's experimental. And there's a lot of optimizations to be had, right, within the verification and the sending and stuff. So I don't want you to say, hey, generate 10,000 leads or anything right now. If you guys wanted to deploy this yourselves, this is how simple it is. And again, this training is probably going to update here in a day or a week or something like that, because we're constantly building this out. But what I'm going to show you is available as of right this moment. And you can do it today. And if you want support with that, then drop something in the chat in the Q&A and we can talk about turning that on. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen, and then you guys can see this is the Dubb AI dashboard, right? So if you log in ai.dubb.com, this is where you'll connect your AI account, your Dubb AI, to whatever settings and stuff that you want. You'll see in those integrations, we have Gmail, etc. And the skills, this is where we have new skills coming every day, guys. Help you with write a blog, right? Do cold outreach, help you with Dubb, do something, lots of things inside of Dubb, right? It's a Dubb specific tool, but also things outside of Dubb, right? Help you with social, help you with your CRM. And the one we've been talking about right now is lead gen, right? So with this skill turned on like that, now we will have the ability to do what we're just showing you. Go straight into Dubb AI and have it generate leads. Again, if you're outside of B2B, don't ask it to generate consumer contact information like free Gmails or anything like that right now. Exclusive for B2B at this moment. B2C, more information, more capability coming very soon. So that's the latest skill for you guys to try. And the thing I encourage you guys with this technology is don't bite off more than you can chew at one step, right? Like we don't launch the ultimate BDR, SDR representative immediately. Let's first build a efficient lead generation system, and we find the right prompt, we find the right titles, we find the things that work. Then we can have the BDR sort of take the reins and then craft personal messages and do things. But I want you guys to take one step at a time with this. And whether that's guided with the help of our team here in these trainings, in the daily live training we're doing every single weekday, I think at 11 now, there's the standard one at 10, and then we're going to be doing an extended AI training after that. So you guys have everything at your disposal to take advantage of this live trainings, email support, chat support, and then of course the technology itself. So this is the next steps for you guys. Come and test the lead generator. If you're in a B2B space, generate a small batch of leads and work with it until you figure out exactly who you should be generating through simple conversation instead of complex UI. The second phase of that is let's craft unique follow-ups, automatic, fully personalized outreach using Dubb AI to test with that small batch. Include your video, right? Have a general video there that you're going to send and be able to track, again, through Dubb AI, which is another skill that it has. It can include your GIF of your video. You just give it the link to your Dubb video. So I would say I would go into that same chat, and it offered to draft personalized things. And I would say, yes, draft personalized messages and add my video link with GIF. And I would give it the link to my video, dubb.com/ whatever the link to the video. So it could actually go and send your video with tracking and booking and your whole playlist personalized for every single contact automatically. And I want you to just think about one really important thing, which is, do you have an SDR or BDR working for you right now? If so, why not? If you're the SDR, the BDR, how much time does that directly shave off of your day, right? Off of your lead generation, off of your top of funnel outreach? How much time and or energy and or money would that be able to put back into your pipeline, into your revenue? Because there's a strange thing right now where we're looking at AI tools and saying, well, oh, this costs this or this costs that. But when we're looking at what's actually being replaced or being done in terms of what would be the equivalent exchange, that's where we can see the massive, massive ROI. And it not even just return on investment of money, but in terms of time, right? That prompt I showed you guys to generate leads took me 30 seconds. Going into even another AI or another lead gen tool like a Zoom Info or something and building those filters and then exporting, that's like 30 minutes, an hour. Who knows? If you're not proficient with the software, it's going to be even more. And so this is the type of exchanges that I want you guys to be thinking about. How can you scale your business, your time, your energy with the use of technology, and without being bottlenecked by, oh my God, there's a this is going to cost $3 or something, compared to hiring somebody or the hour that you would have wasted. The exchange is going to be massively on the side of positive return. So, but only when we've done these right? You guys can waste a lot of time. And Ruben mentioned this before, is there's another problem with AI right now is people have been wasting a lot of resource and time just doing things that are unnecessary, rebuilding dashboards and technologies and stuff that already exist. So I would say my other big tip for you guys is follow along with our training here, because we're not going to send you guys down a rabbit hole of doing some random things just for experimenting and wasting time and money. No, I'm going to give you guys the training that's going to immediately generate top of funnel, middle funnel, activate your CRM, right? Database activation. I want things that are what we call the lowest hanging fruit for you guys first, because I want you to see some immediate return in your investment in our training and in the technology and in your time. So that's it, guys. Hit that link. If watching this training in the recording, then it'll be in the comments. We'd love to hear from you about how we can solve your problems with Dubb AI. And of course, if you need support in leveraging Dubb AI to solve some problems today, then schedule a time with our team. So thanks, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.